I'm currently editing, and I noticed that silly old me in the past forgot to film an intro, so here we are. There's not really much to introduce besides that. I just wanted to challenge myself and try to learn a full dance. And what better than WEKI MEKI's new song, OOPSY, right? This was also inspired by Kai's video where she did a Watch Me Learn wannabe. So do check it out if you like the song wannabe. You probably do if you like K-pop, but yeah. Also, please click the links in the description about the Black Lives Matter movement and the crisis in Yemen, and possibly donate or just educate yourself on the matter. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Alright, whenever I'm learning a new dance, I always use this extension called MirrorTube. It just lets you mirror the video, and you don't have to wait for someone to upload a mirrored version or try to mirror it inside your head. It also lets you adjust the speed, and you can enable a portion of it to repeat, and then you don't have to keep pressing play and rewind. Let's just set it at 70% speed first and see how I do. She looks so good here. Let's try 100%. OOPSY just came out. I just watched their fan cam and their music video. I really like it. I hope they get their first win. It's such a good song. I'm gonna listen to the album later, but first we're just going to start looking at the moves and seeing how they execute each one. But right now I'm just stretching so that when I'm actually gonna start learning the dance, I won't overstretch anything and injure myself. So make sure to stretch your hamstrings, your calves, your arms, your neck, and your back. So yeah, let's start. You want to start by learning whatever you want to learn first. Usually it's the chorus, but that way you can keep your motivation high, and if you want to learn other parts later, then you can do that. But I think when you learn your favorite part first, you're more motivated to continue to learn other parts. And now you just practice until it's ingrained in your mind. I'm gonna stand up and try to combine the bottom part and the top part. I always feel like I'm doing it wrong when they're like facing the other way and then they turn around and then they turn back around. I always feel like I get the sides mixed up, but you just gotta take it slow and go one movement at a time. As soon as you have a good handle on the moves, definitely film yourself. You're probably gonna cringe super hard, but you have to. You don't have a dance teacher to tell you what you're doing wrong, and so you gotta be your own dance teacher. You gotta be your own J-Hope, okay? So look through the video, see if there's anything you can improve on. There's always gonna be something, whether it be sync, maybe you're not using enough energy, there's always gonna be something. So look at your dance video critically, and if you're cringing, honestly, that means you have a good idea of what you're doing wrong, and you can fix it before you upload a cover. I'm now going to attempt to learn the final verse, the part right before the final chorus slash outro, so let's do that. Highlight, I have natural sweat that just rolls right off. But yeah, I'm so happy I was able to do most of it. Just need to work on the timing for the outro because there's a part where Say has to turn around, then turn back around, and I don't know my left and right still, so we're gonna work on that, but we're almost there, so I'm really happy. Yay! Okay, but these chicken and biscuit taste like they have ramen seasoning, and it's so good. I practice a lot and I think I got a pretty good idea, so I'm gonna try and do it full speed now. I still messed up on Yoojung's and Rina's verse, so I'm gonna have to practice that some more before I go to sleep. Hello, it's filming day today, but before I film, I'm gonna plan out my outfits and when I want to switch them because I've never done it before and I want to do a good job. So yeah, we're just gonna plan, and currently I'm thinking of 4 outfits: white jeans and a white like crop top that I tie. The white jeans with this top to match their first stage, and then a black skirt with something black on top. I haven't decided on the top. And then the last outfit will just be like this semi-formal kind of dress because their music video, they were wearing like formal prom type of dresses. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. And then I'm probably also going to practice a little bit more before I start filming. So wish me luck! I've noticed that when I start filming in my other room, I'll kind of forget the moves and then I'll have to relearn everything. So a good way to test yourself is to just face another direction when you're still practicing instead of watching your video, because when you watch the video while you do the moves, you're falsely telling yourself that you know them when you actually don't. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do now, and I'm also gonna work on my facials. Time to film! Yay! I'm so sweaty right now, but I'm so happy and tired and proud of myself that I did that. It took a really long time, but even though it's not a one-take version, which I wanted to originally do, I will be doing that tomorrow though. So if you want to see the full take, just one go, then it'll be on my Instagram at pearleepop. But I'm still really proud of myself for at least trying something new. Pats on the back for me. But yeah, I hope this motivated you to go learn a dance or just start dancing if you don't already. It's really fun, and although you might cringe at yourself in the beginning, that just means you're improving. So that's all that matters, growth mindset, okay? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm super hungry and I'm gonna go eat now. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!